How is the greater Seattle real estate market? The Seattle Times reports Seattle tops nation's slowing housing markets. In today's video, we're going to go over the latest numbers so that you can stay informed. Welcome to December's market update. Be sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any helpful tips. Whether you are a buyer or a seller, you can be empowered in today's market when you have the right information. Let's dive right into the data. It's important to look at both the month-over-month and the year-over-year data to get a full picture. Let's first start with the month-over-month numbers in Snohomish County. You can see that new listings are down 31.2%. Sold listings are also down 13.4%. The median sales price, not surprisingly, has slipped. The sales price to list price ratio is also down slightly, but homes are still selling close to the asking price. And it is taking a little bit longer to get a home sold. For King County, new listings are down 35.6%. Sold listings are down 14.5%. The median sales price is also down nearly 9%, which is a pretty big dip for a month-over-month number. Homes are also selling for a bit less than they were in the previous month. And it is taking a couple more days to get a home under contract and sold. And in the city of Seattle, new listings are down 31.3%. Sold listings are down nearly 11%. The median sales price is down nearly 3% month over month. And the sales price to list price ratio is also down a bit. And it's taking about 5 days longer for a home to get sold. Now for the year-over-year data. New listings are down nearly 24% in Snohomish County. Sold listings are down nearly 45%. So the median sales price is up nearly 3% year over year. The sales price to list price ratio is down about 5%. And it's taking 33 days in November of 2022 versus only 14 days in 2021. In King County, new listings are down 18.4%. Sold listings are down 46.5%. The median sales price is up slightly, and the sales price to list price ratio is down nearly 7%. It's taking a lot longer to get a home sold, but still under that 1 month mark, so not too bad. For the city of Seattle, new listings are down 8%. Sold listings are down 46.6%. The median sales price is up 7.3%. And the sales price to list price ratio is down nearly 5%. And it's taking about 24 days to get a home sold versus 14 days a year ago. So taking a quick look at the numbers, you can see that prices are down, but also inventory is down. So that means that the prices aren't going down dramatically because there are fewer home sellers deciding to put their home on the market. Bottom line, sellers don't have the upper hand and buyers don't have the upper hand. So don't believe the hype because this is relatively a normal market. Now, it doesn't mean it's an easy market for a seller and it doesn't mean it's an easy market for a buyer, but neither one has a major advantage. Most homes are selling for close to the asking price and within a few weeks' time. Buyers, what's important to remember for you? Number one, you marry the house, but you date the rate. Meaning when you find the right house that checks all the boxes and you can afford it, go ahead and make that purchase. Then refinance when rates go down. Speaking of which, when rates do go down, which will happen at some point, there will be more competition from other buyers. So keep this in mind if you are thinking that waiting is a good strategy. Also, some homeowners who are desperate to sell will take a nice haircut off their price, or they might agree to more favorable terms. Now that's not most homeowners, but some will. So try to get a good deal. Now how about for you sellers? Well, you won't hear this in mainstream media, but the truth is we have a really low inventory market, which is keeping prices from dropping faster. If you're thinking about selling, it's about the fundamentals. Make sure your home looks great and it looks like it's a good deal because then it will stand out in the marketplace and it will sell. There are a lot of nuances to this and something that we are happy to discuss with you. If you like this type of content, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay in the know. And be sure to reach out with any of your real estate needs. Thanks.